Sorry, man. So she got back at it. We had the unboxing. Now we gonna do the test drive, man. The Gptoys, liking S912. Straight off the porch. Super torqued out. You got cars, man. Yeah, I realize I'm one-handed it, man. Man, full speed. Here we go. Man, yes sir, man. That little thing get down, man. Yes sir, man. So we had some cars. We back at it. Man, no, it's kind of hard for y'all to see, man. This little thing got super torque. Supposedly 33 miles an hour. We didn't collect even close to 20. Yeah. More and more cars, man, this you got. Man, we up out of there.